Hermit crabs and calorie shells crushed beneath his feet as he comes towards you. He's waving at you.
I'm inspired by people who have a great passion about something. My job as a photographer is to condense all that passion into one single frame, basically tell their story, which is sometimes not an easy task, but in the case of Paolo and Alberto, it was pretty easy. What they're passionate about is World War II military vehicles. What they do is they travel all over Europe, buy these machines, which are sometimes in terrible conditions, a pile of rust basically, take them back to the shop, and then do their magic.
Now he's finished focusing here, imagining lightning striking seasickness away from here.
Their attention for detail is incredible. Once you walk into their shop, it's like walking into a museum. You're immediately projected back into 1943. The machines are in perfect conditions. Sometimes they even build what they can find in the market is, little parts, whatever. They just rebuild them, repaint, redo everything. Once we walked into the shop, we had to find the right angle to tell the story we wanted to tell. We wanted to include a vehicle that was not restored and one that was fully restored to show the whole process of their work, of their passion, of their craft. The second choice we had to make was about the ambient light. Kill it or work with it, which is what we ended up doing. We used 3 lights. The main light, which was above their heads, approximately the same angle as the lamps that were present in the shop, was with a D1 into a Rotalux Deep Octa to give it a little bit of shape, to make the light round with a nice contrast. Then we used the second light out of the shop at very high up so that it could go through the windows, equipped with 2 full CTO gels in order to mimic the sun. And for that we used a Profoto B1. One final light was just to fill the shadows in the background, was a Acute B600, also gelled with a CTO to be consistent with the light that was coming from the outside.
How many years and you've barely even tasted anything remotely close to everything you've boasted about. Look who's crying now.
I'm very pleased with the result. I got the image I wanted. Most important, my friends, my subjects, they recognize themselves. Working with the right tools just gives you the freedom to concentrate on your craft, on your story.
That you wasted how many years and you've barely even tasted anything remotely close to everything you've boasted about.
In post-production we didn't have to do much. The light scheme was perfect. The lights were consistent. We just had to work a little bit on the contrast, a little bit on the toning to bring out that military look, and the game was done.